everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're doing such an exciting video because you guys, we are going to be playing, testing, trying out all of Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty new products. I'm so excited. I have loads of stuff here to try out and I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and not waste any time and jump on into the video because we're doing, it's not a full face of Rare Beauty, but it's like almost a full face of Rare Beauty. Like, I've got the primer, I've got the foundation and concealer, I've got the liquid blush, I've got highlighter and lipstick. We got loads of stuff. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description for you. If you'd like to go check it out, I would really appreciate it and give me a follow over there. Thank you so much in advance. I love Instagram and I do a lot of polls and I'm on stories like literally all the time. But yeah, thank you so much. And let's get into this. Okay, so I don't know where to start. So I think I'm gonna start with primer because that's the first thing that I did get. And which one is the primer? No, I got the mini size. I'm so stupid. I got the mini size by accident, but here's what it looks like. It looks so cute. So here's that. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out here so we can look at it and play. I am so obsessed with the packaging on this brand. Like, I love it so much. It's adorable and it's so cute. And again, I love the fact that it's kind of more of like a your skin but better situation, you know? Like, it's not super duper full coverage stuff. Maybe she'll come out with a full coverage foundation later on. But for anyone that doesn't know, this is Selena Gomez's makeup brand. Like, look at this packaging. I love the little ball at the top, and here's the highlight, and then the concealer and the blush. I'm so excited. So I am gonna go ahead and start off using the primer here because I don't know what to expect. I think this is a hydrating. It's a illuminating base primer. So I'm gonna try this here. I can't believe I got the mini size by accident. Oh, it's like pearlescent. Now, I haven't seen literally any review. I have not watched Kathleen's review, Raw Beauty Christie's review. Haven't seen any review because I wanted it to be 100% candid. But can you see this? It looks like pearlescent. That's nuts. I've never seen a primer look like that. Oh wow. Like, okay, so it's not hydrating, I don't think. I don't know, but I did put moisturizer on before filming, but there's that. I feel like it does give, oh yeah, look at that. It does give like a sheen to the skin. Ooh, I love this. If it's like dewy, hello, that's like totally up my alley. Look at that. That's really cool. But now we're gonna go into the foundation here. I did get mine in the shade 250W. I kind of don't have as much of a tan as I did before, but my neck is still pretty tan, so hopefully this will match. Oh, look at the little ball. I love it. Oh, this is a doe foot. Oh my goodness, I had no idea it was gonna be a doe foot. Okay, well, let's do this. This actually, oh wow. This could be a little too dark. I'm so bad at shade matching myself, you guys. This is gonna be too dark. But hopefully I'll be able to kind of like sheer it out. Looks really nice. Maybe it's not too bad because it seems to be more of like a, this feels different than like normal foundation. That looks nice. I feel like if I had like my full-on tan, this would be a perfect shade. But like, I'm gonna do this side with a sponge as well to see. But I feel like if I had my tan, like a full-on tan going on, like my fake tan, then it would look perfect. Ooh, I like it. And I can't tell the difference really between a brush and a sponge. I think maybe the sponge makes it sheer out just a little bit. It looks nice though. It is definitely a lighter foundation, like a lighter coverage foundation. It's not something that is extremely like heavy duty pigmented. It is lighter, which I love that. I love lighter coverage foundations and stuff like that, like tinted moisturizer, CC creams, BB creams. That's like totally up my alley. But I know that's not for everyone. But this right here seems really nice. And I can definitely tell like my natural skin is still showing through as well. It's not like full-on coverage. This is nice. I like it. My fake tan is kind of like worn off in this area right here, so it looks like I just have like a dirty spot. I swear I don't, it's just fake tan. Okay, next we have concealer, and I have an idea. I think that this concealer is going to be too light. I didn't look at it well enough, but this is in 130 neutral. I think this is going to be far too light, but I can maybe do like a teeny tiny, oh god, it's gonna be so light. I could try doing like a teeny tiny little dot or something. I did this by accident because I had it saved on Sephora's app, and this is the first shade that I got because I'm really bad at shade matching myself, but I thought that this one could have been a little too light, so I went back in and I put in a darker shade for concealer, but this is actually pretty fine, but it's blending out a lot, so like I can't really see where the concealer was anymore. But long story short, I put in a deeper shade into my Loves on Sephora, but I think I ordered the light shade by accident, but you can't actually tell. It looks fine. It's actually not too light. I think since it shears out so much that it doesn't make it look too different. That looks really nice. I think I may actually do a tiny little bit more here. I'm gonna be doing a haul here pretty soon of some stuff like like a clothing haul that I've gotten over the past few months, and I'm so excited for you guys to see a dress that I've got, and I literally cannot wait for this dress. I will say right now, this is the most money I've ever spent on one single clothing item, and I would have never paid full price for it because it's a dress from Free People, and you guys know that I don't like dresses, like at all. I don't like them. But I saw this one on a girl on Instagram, and then I saw it on Poshmark, and it was $123, so it's still expensive, but it used to be $198 on Free People, and I would have never paid $200 for that dress, but I mean, it's still really expensive for $123, but I think this is the only dress I'm ever going to just like love. But it's coming in today, and I hope it fits, because I got it in my normal size, and man, I really hope it fits, because I don't think I can send it back. This looks really nice. It is, I did add a little too much, I think, so it did end up getting a little too white, but I still love this. It looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and just use a tiny little bit of powder right here underneath. What are your thoughts about Selena's brand? Are you guys gonna be trying anything? Is it something that you're into? Do you like Selena as like a musician? Yeah, what are your thoughts? I'm excited. I've grown up with Selena. I don't know her personally, but like me and her are the same age. So like I grew up with her on Disney Channel. I saw her in pretty much every single show that I used to watch, like Wizards of Waverly Place, Hannah Montana. She was like in everything. And I don't know, I've grown up with her, same with like Miley Cyrus and Demi Lovato and everything, so I'm really excited. This foundation looks really nice. I thought it was gonna be a little more dewy, but it did dry down, not matte, but like kind of like a natural satin finish. This looks really, really good so far. I like it. It is still quite light, so I can still see my skin coming through. What's next? Let's do some blush. Okay, so this right here is her liquid blush, and I got it in the shade Joy, and this one's a dewy blush. So she had a couple options. She had this dewy blush, and then she has matte blushes as well, but they're all in this kind of packaging, which I love. But this one, oh my god, it's like this peachy color. Let me swatch it. Oh my god, it's this peachy pink color, and I am literally obsessed with it. I love it. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand like this, and I am going to use my normal blush brush, which is this It Cosmetics. Oh my god, I don't know, because it's pretty pigmented. I don't want to do too much. Oh, so nice. Oh my gosh, look at that color. I love this blush. Oh my goodness, I love this blush. It does seem like it's really, really, really pigmented, so I think a little goes a long way. Look at how cute! I'm obsessed with this blush. I like everything so far, but this blush is like my favorite. Oh my goodness. And this foundation, oh my god, now that it's like dried down and like set, it looks so nice. Teeny tiny little cakey around the nose, but that's it. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm shocked. I had a feeling it was going to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be like this. Like, this is, wow, this looks really nice. Again, I haven't seen any reviews whatsoever. Ugh. Let's do a highlight next. This is in the shade Mesmerize. Oh man. Now, liquid highlights is where I kind of get confused because I don't really know, oh my god, look at that. Because I don't really know how you're supposed to apply them. Like, I know you can do it with your finger or maybe with like your sponge or something, but like I feel like liquid highlights like this always like throw me off. And it looks really nice. I will say I think the highlight is my least favorite thing so far, only because I'm not, see, I feel like I'm getting it all the way down here and I don't want it to be all the way like on my cheeks, but I'm really bad at applying liquid highlight. But I think that's honestly just user error. It has nothing to do with the product itself, but that looks great. I'm gonna do a tiny little bit down the nose. Let me try using my beauty blender this time to see if I can kind of blend it out better using this. Oh yeah, it does work like that too. And then I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny bit, well, it's a lot. I'm gonna put it a little bit right there. And then I normally take it a tiny little bit above my brow. I love that. It's not, like, I still do like it, but it's not my favorite thing. I've never been really good at liquid highlights, but everything else I'm obsessed with. I still love the liquid highlight formula and the color. I think it's beautiful. I just think the application for me is a little bit weird. So yeah, there's that. And then I think we're gonna do a lipstick, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes really quick, just kind of really fast. I forgot to bronze. I knew I had forgotten to do something. Dang it, I've completely forgot to bronze. I knew I was forgetting something. I was like, what am I forgetting to do? It's this. I might have to go back over with the blush and the highlight. No, maybe not, it was fine. I just did a light layer of bronzer. I just did a light layer of bronzer. So as for eyes, I kind of just want to try and see if you can use this on your eyes. I know it's not meant to be there, but see if you can like just blend it out and put it like a little bit. And I'm just gonna see if you can blend it out at all. Oh, that's really cute, actually. It reminds me of like Glossier. Look at that, that looks really cute. And it reminds me of like the glossy trend that a lot of people are doing where they have like glossy lids. I like that a lot. I am gonna keep it that way because I really like it. And then I actually was gonna do liner and lashes, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm gonna keep it really super simple, you guys. And I'm gonna throw on my brow really quick and then I'll come back. Actually, I'm gonna throw on my brow and some mascara. I'm gonna use the Mcgrath Dark Star Mascara and then I'll come back to you and we'll finish off with the lips. Alright, so I've got this done and I actually did pop a tiny little bit of this single shadow over top, just in the center. This is the new Stila single shadow. It's in the shade Kitten and it's their like kaleidoscope shadow. I hauled this a little while ago and it's like my favorite single shadow of all time. I love this one and the Dose of Colors one, like they're both so good. The Dose of Colors one is in the shade Encore, but I wanted to put this one a little bit over top to make it look a little more dewy. I don't think this is meant to be like on your eyes. It does crease, so I have had to go in and kind of blend out the creasing a little bit, but it's not an eyeshadow, so it's not meant to be on the eyes, but I think it's beautiful still. So yes, and I did my mascara and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip. Now I don't have a lip liner because again my mom has my lip liner, my red, but I wanted to get the shade Inspire because this one is just such a beautiful red shade and I think it's kind of like, if I look on the website, does it say, oh, well, matte lip cream. Okay, so maybe it's kind of like a matte liquid lipstick or like softer, I don't know. Look, a cute little doe foot. Oh wow, this is so soft. Oh my goodness, it feels like a mousse. Oh man, that feels great. It feels really nice and like moisturizing. Oh my goodness, that is so nice on the lips. Wow. My application was probably not the best because I don't have a lip liner. Wow, that is so comfortable and it looks so nice. I don't know if the lips match the eyes, but you know, who cares, whatever. I love this. It is so good. Wow. So I'm obsessed with this. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite liquid lips that I have. It is so comfortable. Like it feels like a cloud on your mouth. I love it. It's great. You guys, here is the finished look that we did create using a full face of Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty. Almost a full face. I know I didn't get the eyeliner or the brow product and everything, but I will be getting those later. These ones were the things that I really wanted to try first. This blush has to be like my favorite thing. Out of everything, this blush, I love it so much. Probably number 2 is this lipstick, and then number 3 is this foundation. Like, I love this. If you could only get one thing from the Selena Gomez collection, I'd actually probably recommend either a blush, if you like liquid blush that is, but they also have matte ones too, so they're not all dewy. They also have matte ones, but they all look like this. A blush or one of the liquid lips. I feel like you can't go wrong with any of these. This foundation I'm obsessed with. I love the way that my skin looks right now. It is so nice and dewy, and I feel like the Illuminating primer actually did something. Like, can you see? I know I have highlight right here, but like, I don't know, I feel like my skin looks very like illuminated and dewy and shiny, and I feel like it just looks so nice. I really, really love this brand. Like, Selena, you killed it. I'm obsessed. This is fantastic stuff, and I can't wait to try more of these, and I can't wait for her to come out with more products. If you have tried anything from Selena's brand, Rare Beauty, please let me know in the comments. What were your thoughts? Did you like it or did you not like it? Like, let me know either way in the comments because I would love to know that. But you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!